Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best off-road electric scooter. Starting at number 5. Segway Ninebot ES2 Folding Electric. The Segway Ninebot ES2 is a 300W electric scooter with a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour and a travel range of up to 15 miles per charge. It features Bluetooth and mobile security and navigation app connectivity, switchable cruise control, and both mechanical and electric anti-lock braking systems. We liked its easy-to-read LED display for mileage, battery power, and speed, and its relatively lightweight and foldability made it easy to carry and put in a car trunk for trips. Its non-pneumatic, airless tires provide pop-proof safety, but they are Euro trademark not suitable for rougher roads and streets. However, ETA Euro trademark a good value for a very modern, full-featured electric scooter with plenty of power for most working professionals and enthusiasts. For those that crave speed, we recommend the best top electric scooter that is one of the fastest adult electric scooters on the market. Coming at number 4. Razor E300 Folding Electric Scooter. The Razor E300 is a 300W electric scooter. It has a top speed of 15 miles per hour, and its battery provides 40 minutes of travel per charge. We liked its super quiet chain-driven motor and fun, vintage-style, easy-to-use kickstart and grip throttle, which new riders will find familiar and very simple to learn to ride safely. Though it has enough power for most commuters and recreational uses, the slow charging time of up to 12 hours may not suit all riders. However, its light 26 pounds weight, extra thick frame, and extra wide deck that accommodates a larger variety of rider sizes, and fun to ride, vintage design make it a perfect choice for new riders who want a powerful, safe scooter ETA Euro trademark easy to travel with. For the young ones, we recommend the best ETA Euro trademark scooter that is very easy to learn on. At number 3. Razor E200 Electric Scooter. The Razor E200 is a 200W foldable electric scooter with a top speed of 12 miles per hour. While its battery provides a fairly modest 40 minutes of travel per charge and it does well on mostly level ground, it does not Euro trademark perform that well on inclines. So look elsewhere if you a Euro trademark looking for the best electric scooters for hills. Compare this model to the best electric scooter for commuting that has a high top speed and powerful rear-wheel drive. Graduate un viage ma es grande y ma es duro con el patini el copyright Trico E200y su cubierta y marco de toma plus or minus o completo. De Z plus or minus adu para ciclistas de 13AA plus or minus OSN adelante. El E200 coincide con su toma plus or minus o ma es grande con su potente motor de 200 vatios. Alto y de una sola velocidad, accionado por cadena para emocionar a los ciclistas más mayores. Velocidades de hasta 12 miles per hour para hasta 40 minutos de uso continuo. El E200 es perfecto para una aventura en solitario o un crucero con amigos, con el alcance para hacer frente a ambos. El E200 cuenta con un marco y horquilla de acero para mayor durabilidad, mientras que el de 8 pulgadas. Los neumáticos delanteros y traseros ayudan a sacar la mordida de superficies rugosas. Y, con su control de aceleración superscript 3 and twist grip y freno trasero operado a mano, el E200 pone potencia y control en tus manos. Number 2 of my list. Segway Ninebot ES1L Electric. The Segway Ninebot ES1L is a foldable electric scooter with a decent 250W engine and a top speed of 12.4 miles per hour. It has front suspension, front and rear braking, and can accommodate riders up to 220 pounds. For a top-quality, easy-to-drive, and highly portable electric scooter with above-average horsepower and good battery strength, ETA Euro trademark a go-to choice. And if you're Euro trademark looking for an alternative to battery-powered models, have a look at the best gas scooter that also offers efficient gas mileage. And number 1. Glion Dolly Folding Electric Scooter. The Glion Dolly Foldable Electric Commuter Scooter is a variable power 250W electric scooter, with a top-end peak of 650W. Its top speed of 15 miles per hour and a travel range of 15 miles per charge is more than sufficient for most commutes, even on hilly terrain, and its airless, never-pop tires and rear anti-lock brakes give a safe ride. We loved its light 26-pound frame, built-in rolling wheel, and luggage bag, great for air travel and weekend car trips. Making it a great option if you're Euro trademark looking for one of the best electric scooters for commuting. With a rear-only suspension, it may not be quite as smooth a ride as heavier, dual suspension models. But its good horsepower, battery strength, easy-to-learn controls, and safety features combined with its ultra-portability-minded design and features make it a great all-around scooter that perfectly balances quality, power, and travel-friendliness. Another travel-friendly model is the Best Folding Mobility Scooter, which has a long battery range. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.